you today and welcome to Letscookolet. Today we want to show you how to make chicken adobo. Yes, it's a well-known dish in Philippines and it's called chicken adobo. Now you can use whatever chicken you want. You can use chicken breast, chicken leg, dark meat, white meat, and but the most important is the make sure the chicken is a bone in and the skin on. So the first thing we're gonna do, I have here one full chicken. I cut it into quarters, and turn your stove on medium high. Put the butter in, and as soon as the butter melts, we're gonna start placing the chicken. So on the medium high, about 4 to 5 minutes each side, just to have it golden brown. What I need here, just to slice some onion. Yes, I know some people, they marinate the chicken for a couple of hours and then they make the adobo, but today I'm showing you a recipe without the marinade. And I'm gonna chop some garlic, fresh garlic as well, and doesn't have to be fine chopped, just keep it nice and chunks, fine. Voila, now they all ready to go in the pan. Coarse pepper, and of course salt. I'm not adding any salt because we're going to put some soya sauce, and soya sauce is a little bit salty. Now we're gonna cook the garlic and the onion with the chicken for a little bit, and then we'll add the liquid. I have some rice vinegar and white wine. This is my version of chicken adobo, and soy sauce, and I have here some honey. We're gonna add some honey, give it nice quick mix, and ready to go with the chicken. So we're gonna let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Now we're gonna flip everything and cover it for another 15 minutes. I already made some plain rice here, plain basmati rice, and I always like the adobo with the rice. The whole house smells so good. Look at this. Look at that, beautiful. The onion and the sauce is thickened. Beautiful. Now it's turned off and let it rest for 5 minutes and ready to be served. Nice, look at this. And the sauce on top of the chicken and the rice. A bit of sesame is an option. Green onion. And it's time to give a try. I'm gonna try some with the rice and the chicken. Wow, amazing, full of flavor. So we sear it like 5 minutes each side, then we add the sauce, we let it simmer for 15 minutes, we flip it and let it simmer for another 20 minutes, and we ended up with one of the best, easiest chicken adobo you will have. Nice and tasty, unbelievable. You guys gonna try it out and you know what I'm talking about. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.